Today we dive into a profound conversation between Imam Zainul Abidin and Shibli about the true essence and philosophy of Hajj rituals. Shibli, a devoted follower, approached Imam Zainul Abidin after performing Hajj. The Imam asked him, "Did you truly understand the essence of the rituals you performed?" Shibli, eager to learn, listened attentively. The Imam began by asking, "When you put on the ihram, did you intend to leave behind all sins and turn towards Allah?" Shibli replied, "Yes, I did." The Imam nodded and continued, "When you stood on the plains of Arafat, did you recognize it as a symbol of the Day of Judgment, standing in the presence of your Creator?" Shibli again affirmed. Imam Zainul Abidin then asked, "When you threw stones at the pillars, did you resolve to cast away evil from your life?"